Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today, we will draw an animal that is adorable and close to everyone, a dog. While drawing, I will tell you a story called Daisy and the Lost Bone. We invite you to follow along. Once upon a time, there was a playful little dog named Daisy who lived in a small, cozy town. Daisy had soft, honey-colored fur and loved to dig holes in the garden to hide her favorite bones. She had one special bone that she treasured the most. One sunny afternoon, Daisy decided to dig up her special bone, but when she got to the spot, the bone was gone. Daisy was worried. She searched under the oak tree, by the rose bushes, and even in the vegetable patch, but she couldn't find it anywhere. Daisy knew she needed help, so she asked her friend Max, the wise old cat. Max suggested, try to remember where you last played with it. Daisy thought hard and remembered playing near the rose bushes, but she still couldn't find the bone. Next, Daisy asked Polly, the clever parrot. Polly flew above the garden, looking from the sky while Daisy searched the ground. But even with Polly's help, the bone was still missing. Finally, Daisy ran into Mrs. Rabbit by the vegetable patch. Daisy, take a deep breath and think carefully, Mrs. Rabbit said kindly. Daisy did just that, and suddenly, she remembered. She had buried the bone near the bird bath after chasing butterflies. Excited, Daisy ran to the bird bath, started digging, and there it was, her special bone. She was so happy that she wagged her tail and barked with joy. Daisy learned an important lesson that day. When you're in trouble, staying calm and thinking clearly can help you find the answer. She thanked her friends and made sure to remember where she buried her bone this time. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye!